In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to join the FundedNext affiliate partner program. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to FundedNext.com. From here, you'll need to either create a new account or sign into your already existing account so you can get into the dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, it looks something like this. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu and go down to the rewards hub where you can see refers and earns. From here you can see you'll first need to purchase an account before you can actually get into the partner program. But when you do that, you'll see down underneath refer and earn. From here you can see that you can be paid every 7 days, and you can go down and spread the word and get reward. Down here you'll have the referral code, and once you click on this little locked icon down here, you'll get a code that other people or your audience can use so you can earn a bit of cash whenever they purchase a funded account inside of FundedNext. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!